I'm so excited to bring you a new series of foods to eat during pregnancy in the form of pregnancy recipes of the week. The foods that we eat during pregnancy literally shapes your baby's health, not only in infancy, but for the rest of their life. It will shape their learning capabilities and their IQ later, as well as their risk for metabolic diseases like diabetes and obesity, as well as the risk for cancer later in life. Rather than do an entire meal plan overhaul, which can be overwhelming, I thought it might be helpful to just add one new recipe a week that focuses on the nutrients that's important for your baby's development, especially your baby's brain development, that women tend to be nutrient deficient in. For example, 40% of women of childbearing age in the US are deficient in vitamin B6. This is linked with increased risk of miscarriages, low birth weights, preterm delivery, and low APGAR score. So you can bet there's going to be some recipes with vitamin B6 along with other important nutrients like choline, glycine, omega-3, and more. I'm also excited to bring in a variety of different recipes from around the world. One of my most requested videos is a vegetarian recipe from India, and I'm actually working with a dietitian in India to help me do this recipe. Keep your eyes out for these weekly recipes video coming out, and if you have a request, you can put it in the comments below.